Hey gang, y'all welcome back to the Roadhouse. Today we're going to be doing some chicken wings on the Weber. We're going to do kind of indirect, but again I'm going to put my fire in the middle there, and I'm going to put my wings around the outside skirt there. So, and all we got, gang, y'all, let me pan down and show you what we're working with here. We got like a 10 package regular old chicken wings with the drumettes hooked to them. Come on now, boy, get in the camera. But so we got that. I hit that with some Hickory grill and some Southwest fajita rub. So that stuff's pretty good, y'all. Y'all can find that, man. Go check that out. It's got a good little flavor to it. So, all right, I'm waiting for the grill to get hot. I'll meet y'all outside when it's up to 10. All right, y'all. We got the chicken put on the Weber there. Just threw some wood chips on it. So we're on the outskirts, heat's in the middle. We're going to put a lid on this. We'll check back in about 10 minutes. Alright, we're running about 325. Somewhere in the neighborhood. Let's see what we got. Oh man. That's looking pretty good, y'all. It smells fantastic. So I said what we're going to do now. Let's flip these wings over here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. The wings do not take long to cook at all. Ain't them pretty? Sorry if I got them out of view. Kind of multitasking here. The girls are out there on the swing enjoying the nice, beautiful weather we have here in southern Louisiana today. Alright. Man, that's looking good. Alright. Let's throw the lid back on here and we'll check back in about another 10, 15 minutes. Alright. Welcome back. In about another 10, 12, 15 minutes, so about 300 degrees there. Let's see what we got. Oh man, that's looking good. Y'all, that smells so good. Alright, let's shoot a little temp, see what we got here. Yeah, about 168, 169, 170. Oh, look at that, bro. It's a skeeter. 199, 198. Alright, I'm going to flip these one more time, y'all. Yeah, they're pretty consistent. Yeah, I'd rather have them overdone, you know, and 183. Alright, let me flip these over, gang. And y'all know me and my chicken. 165 is not done enough for me. But these gonna be done. They looking good. They pretty tender too. So we'll see how it works out. Let me get these flipped over again, and be back in about another 10 minutes, y'all. Alright, gang. Got the chicken pulled off. It's resting. Well, looks nice, huh? Smells fantastic. Y'all come over here. Look at that. Miss Carrie's making some of her homemade mac and cheese. Yum. I got the sausage on the grill. I'm going to do some garlic bread. We'll be back in a few. Alright, gang. We're waiting on the sausage and the bread. Let's see, man. That sausage is looking pretty good. I'm going to flip it one more time. There goes the AC. Hot diggity. Come on now. Alright, no cheese, just garlic and butter on the bread. Alright, we've got a few minutes left, probably about 5 minutes, so we'll check back then. Alright, let's check this stuff here. Oh yeah, babe. Sausage looking good. Bread looking good. Alright, let's pull this stuff off of here. I'll meet y'all inside. Alright, y'all welcome back. We plated up. We got our Kanaka sausage. Y'all check that out, man. That's our garlic bread. Oh, hear that crunch? Yeah, baby. Alright, chicken wings. Gizzy wants some, y'all. Chicken wings. Alright, I know I'll cook them to about 190, 200, whatever it comes out to, but you know what? That's alright. Put that down there. Y'all come up here and let's get a bite. Good stuff, y'all. Nice, nice color. Alright, so let's see. I said 165 just isn't done enough for me, so let's get a bite. That's good, y'all. Nice rub, a little heat in there. In there. Done. Alright, gang. Check my zoom here. Alright, y'all. We're going to get out of here. We're still in stay home mode, whatever you call it. Simple little cook. You know, nothing extreme. Just Hickory makes some of the best. That mac and cheese is like extra super cheesy. Good stuff, y'all. I'm trying to get her to make a channel on her sides. You know. Anyway, hey, appreciate all y'all. Love y'all. Hope y'all staying safe out there. You know.